afternoon, everyone. I am here at St. Anne Church, Bermuda Island. So, Bermuda Church. This is St. Anne Church, Bermuda. St. Anne Church, Bermuda, with cemetery here beside the church. This is the cemetery beside the church. Maganda kasi yung cemetery dito, hindi nakakatakot kasi katabi niyang simbahan. So malinis sila tingnan. Malinis tingnan yung cemetery dito. Ayan, kaliliting lang yata yan kahapon. Yung may fresh na bulaklak yan. Yan, dito yun yung St. Anne Church with a cemetery, and there has a three-top school here, nursery school here. Three-top nursery school naman yan, na may katabi rin yung cemetery, kaya hindi nakakatakot yung cemeteryo dito, guys, kasi may eskwelahan, may simbahan. Kaya ayan, oh, ito yung cemeteryo. Ayan. Ayan, may mga bahay rin doon. At saka Catholic Church ito eh. St. Anne Church. This is a Catholic church. Beside the cemetery and beside the road as well. So hindi nakakatakot yung cemeteryo dito, guys, kasi katabi lang din ng kalsada, may school, saka simbahan, kaya hindi nakakatakot yung cemeteryo dito. At saka yung dagat din doon, oh. May dagat din doon sa kabila. Saka malinis dito. Malinis yung nila, yung lugar. Yan, yung three tops na school yan, nursery school, oh. Kalsada yung cemeteryo. Sabado kasi ngayon walang misa. The church is closed because today is Saturday. And tomorrow, Sunday, so probably there's a mass tomorrow. It's a beautiful church with cemetery. This is St. Anne's Church in Bermuda Island. Thank you.